Hey nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. It's your girl TiaBellaBeauty, and today Double Dip was kind enough to send me over their latest Mother's Day collection of their stunning glitter dip powders. I'm going to be unboxing everything for you today, and we'll also be doing a really fun and easy nail design.
The view. You do? Yes. You're my best view. Yeah, I like the view. I like the view.
Alright, so here are the 6 jars, and we'll go through all of the beautiful colors. Here is this first one, and this one is called Lala, and that's a beautiful yellow kind of glitter acrylic. This one is Boundless Elegance, giving me some purple vibes. Nebula is also giving me some purple with a hint of fuchsia. This is Barbie, giving me some pink glitter vibes. And we have Let's Go Party, which is a beautiful mixture of blues and greens. And then Flora is another kind of purple with hints of pink in there. I have my little swatch sticks here. Here is an up close look at how stunning and gorgeous these glitter dip powders are. And also just remember, double dip powders can be used for acrylic as well. So whether you want to dip them, whether you want to ombre them, whether you want to use them for acrylics, they are absolutely stunning. Now, let's get into the swatching. Here's an up close look at these swatch sticks just before I apply the activator and some top coat. Alright, so I've picked out the 3 colors that I want to use. Here is Donald Duck. This was from the Easter collection. Boundless Elegance, which is from this current Mother's Day collection. And Heather was also from the Easter collection. So I'm going to be doing the base gel method just because it's a little bit easier for me. And I'm simply going to apply some base gel to my entire nail. And then I will apply the dipping powders to the nail, allow them to sit on my nail for a few minutes, and then I will cure them under my UV lamp. Now, for this design on my thumb, I'm going to be doing like a side kind of ombre. So I'm going to go in with my glitter first, and I'm going to use this little dusting brush, and we're just going to press that glitter into the base gel. And I feel like this is a better method to apply your glitters instead of just pouring them on, because sometimes you can have a little bit of texture if they aren't down flat. So take a little dusting brush, pat your glitter in, and as you can see, you can do any design. You can do an ombre with a French, or you can do a side French, or you can do a peekaboo. So many different ways that you can do it with, and that's because you're using base gel. Base gel just gives me time to like really play around with the designs that I want. So now that I have that glitter in, if there are any pieces that are poking out, I'll pat them into place. And now I can go in with my 2 other remaining colors, one to the top and then one to the bottom. Donald Duck is an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, shimmery dipping powder from Double Dip. Guys, if you've not picked up any of the powders from that Easter collection, you are missing out. They are so pretty. And now we have these glitter ones to perfectly complement those Easter ones. Double Dip really know what they're doing in terms of launching these powders. Everything just complements each other. And I loved this particular purple one, which is called Heather, because it has like this jelly effect to it. It's like it has a little translucency to it. It reminds me of beach glass as well. And I thought these three together look absolutely stunning. I loved them. All right, so that's my thumb. I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to cure that. I'm just going to move on to the next finger. So for my index finger, I'm going to go in with some nude pink. This nude pink is a kind of mixture of different powders from Double Dip that I've mixed together. And I add just a little bit of mica in here as well. So this is my own little concoction. And I've applied base gel to the entire nail. And now I'm just going to go in with my little mixture. And I'm running low on this. I'm going to have to make this again. If you missed the video where I did this, definitely check out that video. It was another Double Dip video, how to make your own nude dipping powders. Definitely check that out. It's really fun. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this on. If you notice there are any like wet spots on your nail, definitely go in with some powder again over that nail just to get that nice perfect coverage and so that it doesn't be too patchy. How easy was that? Absolutely easy. All right. So now what we're going to do for this pinky is we're just going to do like a little peekaboo glitter. So we're just going to apply a tiny little bit of glitter to the top of the nail. And then we're going to go in with that nude, custom nude that we made, that I applied to the middle and the index finger. So with the peekaboo design, I was actually supposed to put the pink on top of this and just leave it as is. But I don't know, it's just glitter on top, I guess. So anyway, once I have that glitter on, I pat it down into place, then I will go in with that nude over the rest of this finger. So looking with just one coat of those dipping powders, I am going to go off camera to do a second coat and top off with some base coat. And here's how the nails are looking. Now that I am done with applying all of my layers of dipping powder, now we can move on to the nail art. So I have this glitter gel liner here from Double Dip, Bellavena, and it kind of matches the glitter that I have on my pinky. So I'm just going to go in and kind of, do a French outline with this. I absolutely, I was gonna say absolutely. I absolutely love doing French outlines. I feel like they're just one of the easiest nail designs that you can do, and they look so good. And this glitter outline, if you've not tried a glitter outline nail or a chrome nail or anything that sparkles without doing too much to your nail, definitely give it a try. So I do this outline on my index finger, and I also do the outline on my middle finger. I will give both of these fingers a cure under my UV lamp for 45 to 60 seconds, okay? Once I'm done applying the glitter outline to these nails, I will then go in with some top coat just to protect this nail design. So I'm going to be using the Credio Super Top Coat. I've been loving this lately, so I've been grabbing it more often, and it's big. It's 15 mil, so I just love big bottles and I like big brushes. So anyway, I'm applying this onto my middle finger, my index finger, and also my pinky finger too, because I'm done with this for the minute. And then we will move on to our last remaining fingers. We're going to go in with a little bit of nail design. So I picked out these flowers here. It's still spring season, guys. We are not getting tired of flowers just yet. I have like some roses and some different colored little small flowers that were very trendy at the minute. I'm going to use my rhinestone glue from Makartt, and I'm going to apply that to my nails. So the lavender looking flowers, they do color change. They're a little bit different than the pink flowers here. I just wanted to show you that quickly. I got these off of Shein as well. So first I go in with my my thumb, and I'm just going to apply 2 flowers, one large, one small, to the side corner of the top of the nail, as well as the side corner at the bottom of the nail. And then I will give this a cure under my UV lamp. And then for my ring finger, we'll go in with a big rose to the center, followed by some of these smaller flowers. The last little bit of flowers to apply to this nail, and we are basically done. If you've not done any nail design with these gorgeous flowers, you definitely need to hop on. They are just absolutely beautiful and elegant. So just before I finish off, I'm just going to file around the edges. As with base gel, they do cure and they can add a little bit of lumps and change the shape of your nails. So definitely grab your 180 file around those edges, file around the tip of the nail, dust away any excess. Add a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and clean up those nails. And the final thing that you want to do with these nails is grab some cuticle oil so your nails don't be looking crusty. And here we are. Here's a final look. My little cuticle is a little bit oily there. Don't worry about that. But let me know what you think of this beautiful design. I absolutely love them so much. Thank you to Double Dip for sending me these amazing dip powders. I will have a discount code down in the description box. Definitely check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.